Can't believe it. I see chicken in the woods up on a tree here that I don't even know of. I thought it was oyster at first. That's chicken in the woods. I'm almost positive. I was looking at a tree down here earlier, went all the way up, found them odd looking brown mushrooms, spores. We got to go up here and get this. It looks like it's on. Where's it at again? There's it. There it is. Let's get up there. It is chicken over there from this side. There was a beehive hanging from a tree here last year. I left my hiking stick by those brown mushrooms. I gotta go back after I collect these chickens. If all goes well. There's broken glass down in here too. I gotta be careful. Somebody just got here across the. Dang, that's like super nice orange. Look at this chicken. It's 80 feet behind one of my rocks. Whoa, there's massive oyster up on a tree there. Look at this chicken, it's on. Oh, man. Please be on. It's on. Oh, last time I said, it's on, it's on. I got stung by a bunch of bees. Assholes in here. Like this. So it's got the white. Can you see the white coming out of it? Oh, this is on. Okay. I'm gonna. Wow, another day. This is totally edible to the body. Really coming across here. Timing is everything, isn't it? It's amazing. I gotta get a bag and get the rest of this. Is this on? Yes, yes. I'm really excited. As you can see, these mounds of goldens up on the hill right on that big rock in the back, right in the middle of my picture. Alright, I gotta back this up. Alright, put this down. Put this down. Bouncing off the light. Put it right in there with the chanterelles we got. Doesn't matter at this point. This is one like you wouldn't believe how on this is. I don't believe how on this chicken is. This is a real treat. All the way down. I can eat it just about to where it connects to the wall of the tree. This is another log number 186, I think. 185 or 186. I didn't know anything about this. Oh yeah, this is good all the way down. We got another one coming out of here. Is this a cherry? Is this a cherry? We got a bunch of chicken here. This is 2.5 pound, 2.5 gallon bag here. So we got at least a half a gallon here. Alright. You see we got this little one starting up in here. And we fenced off just about everything here. Let me zoom in on that oyster log over there. Hold on. Turn it around, right in front of me. Watch this. Right over there. Massive oyster log. That's a huge log too. That can cover a lot. Man, I walked by this on the way up and didn't see it. Angles and lighting make things visible or not a lot of times. And coming back down this way, I was able to look up and see the edge of it. Coming up when I came down this way, I was unable to see it. Lighting, shade, okay. I'll put my hand next to that. There we go.